Start trading at 6 o'clock tonight. Just going to do a very short introduction on how to get started, why you might want to trade the markets, and answering the question, how much can you make if you trade? So this is one quick example of what I'll be talking about. This is the FTSE on a daily chart index. So all we're talking about here is just reading charts. Very, very simple aspect of reading charts. If you look at this line that's coming across, the trend line that's coming across from May last year to August last year, we struggled on here, and now today we are breaking up. So plenty of opportunities to be made. You can see the very nice neat waves when we do get a lot of green on the chart. So we're currently in the midst of another decent wave in this. So join me tonight. We'll talk about UK stocks and American stocks and how to get involved. There's different markets. There's commodities. Oil's been on a fantastic trend. I've just been buying lows in silver and gold. Plenty of things to do, but it's just about simple reading ability of the charts. So join me at 6 tonight and learn how to get started. Bye.